Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect HubSpot to Google Ads. This integration is a powerful way to unify your marketing and advertising data, giving you a much clearer picture of your customer journey. By linking these two essential platforms, you can optimize your ad spend, improve lead quality, and gain deeper insights into campaign performance. We'll walk through the simple steps to get you set up and leveraging this powerful connection in no time. Before we dive into the connection process, let's quickly cover the prerequisites. First, you'll need administrator access in both your HubSpot and Google Ads accounts. This ensures you have the necessary permissions to make changes. Second, confirm your Google Ads account is active and ready to run campaigns. Finally, check that your HubSpot account has the appropriate marketing permissions enabled. Having these three things in place will make the integration smooth and straightforward. Now, let's connect those accounts. Start by logging into your HubSpot portal and navigating to the integration section under Settings. Look for the Google Ads integration and click Connect App. You'll then be prompted to select the specific Google Ads account you want to link. After choosing, grant HubSpot the necessary permissions to access your ad data. This usually involves a few clicks to confirm the connection, and then you're almost done. Once connected, verify the integration status in your HubSpot settings. You should see a connected status for Google Ads. Now, the real power begins. You can use HubSpot's robust reporting to analyze ad performance, track leads, and understand ROI. Furthermore, create highly targeted audiences in HubSpot and sync them directly to Google Ads for more effective retargeting campaigns. This unified view helps you optimize your marketing spend and drive better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.